Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial where I will be teaching you something important. So in this tutorial, we're going to talk about variable memory concepts. So what are variable memory concepts? For example, if we set a value to a variable, we can change it in the future working with the program. So let's say we set variable equal to 45, and if you want to assign it to a different value in the future, how will we do that, and is that possible? So let's print out the variable value and let's check what it will say. As you see, it says 45. Now, let's say we are working with this program in the future and we want to change the value of this variable. What we will do is we won't assign it a data type because the computer reads from the first line to the last. So when processing everything, it comes to line 6 and it says, okay, the programmer assigned a data type integer to the variable name variable, and it assigned the value of 45, and it continues to read. And when it comes to this line, it says, okay, he consoles out the value of the variable, and it's 45. Let's go uh, to the other lines. So now let's say variable, like I said, we don't need to assign the data type, is equal to 43. And let's console out variable. Wow, what just happened? Firstly, we saw it's 45, and after we change this value and print it out again, it's 33. So when we change the variable, when we change the variable's value, the computer wipes out the old value from its memory address and it overwrites the old value. So this value is stored in some memory address, and when we change its value, then the computer wipes it, wipes out the old value and it overwrites it. So now variable is 33. And if we use the variable after we assign its new value, it will be always 33. If we use it before, it will be always 45. And that's how variable memory concepts work. Thank you for watching this video and hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next video.